Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making the remote reliable. Insert fresh batteries and ensure tight contacts so signals are strong. Turn on the device you want to control and confirm its model or brand because codes differ. Once done, position the remote within about 3 feet and maintain a clear line of sight. This reduces interference and helps initial pairing succeed. Now, locate the setup or code button on the remote so you can move to programming right away. You'll either enter a known code or use the automatic search. If you have a code, press Setup, type the 3 to 5-digit code, and verify the device responds. This is faster and more reliable. If not, trigger the remote search mode and slowly press power or channel until the device reacts. The remote cycles codes internally. Make sure to test power and volume after each successful response, because some codes control only limited functions, and you want full control. You finish by saving the working code. Press the remote save or enter key to lock the configuration so it won't reset. Then walk through all essential functions, power, volume, input, channel, to confirm they operate correctly. If controls are inconsistent, reboot both the remote and device, swap batteries, and repeat the search. Intermittent signals often mean low battery or wrong code. If problems persist, check the manufacturer's code list or try another matching brand code until functions align.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.